What's up, y'all? We're back here with another video, and we got a special piece of meat today. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, but today we're gonna be grilling
alligator.
We got some fresh alligator meat, fresh out the water. I got my little cousins helping us out today. We're gonna go ahead and tear this thing up. Let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and unpackage the gator fresh out the bag. I want you guys to look at the texture of this thing, man. It looks just like chicken. So we're gonna start off with some olive oil. I'm using 2 separate seasonings, rosy cheeks and citrus peppers on both. So, you know, we kind of just get used to different seasonings, you know what I'm saying? Put some mustard on there to make the seasoning stick. I let my cousin season the first batch. My boy Carter on the left-hand side needed a little bit of extra help. So, you know, I had to hit him with that magic hand. You know, I'm elite with the seasonings. So now we're gonna go with the regular seasoning. We got some hot peppers, some garlic, some adobo, and last but not least, my favorite garlic seasoning to add up to the rest on top. Mix that thing up, and there you go. We got some seasoned gator, 2 different flavors. We didn't want to do just one flavor. We want to kind of experiment a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead with Morgan to let that thing marinate in the refrigerator while Carter loads up the grill. Shout out to Carter, he really held it down while starting the grill. I taught him how to do it, and he really liked doing it a lot. He even took out the marinated gator about 30 minutes in. This is what it should look like when you let it marinate for 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and lay those suckers on the grill. The left side is the rosy cheeks, on the right side is citrus pepper, and go ahead and put the lid right on top to let that thing smoke. And then we're gonna go ahead and make our secret sauce. We're gonna add that mayo, ketchup, Worcester sauce, hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and mix that thing up. I add a little bit more ketchup to make it more drippy. And last but not least, some Old Bay hot sauce to add that extra spicy flavor. And then we're gonna add some cilantro on top to add that little mwah. So now, about 20 minutes in, this is what it should look like. A little bit brown crisp on there, but not all the way there. We're gonna keep flipping so that all sides are a little bit brown and crispy, so it's looking just like that. And as you can see, we got some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gator. Now, every single piece needs to be 170 internal. You need to check each and every piece because they cook hot and fast. Add some parsley on top once it's done, and voila, you got some nice grilled smoked gator. Me and my cousins tore this thing up. As you can see, I'm treating my cousins to it as well as myself. And look how happy my cousins look. About to tear into that UFO meat that we never tried before. Man, look how good it was, bro. We tore that thing up. It was good all ways around. It tastes better than chicken, no cap. I want to make some gator tacos next time because I feel like that was slapped super hard. But in the meantime, man, shout out to my cousins. You already know, man, I'm going to this thing, man. Let's get it, man. Stop playing with me.